Thanks for looking. Welcome to her. Today I will talk about benefits of onion. Onion is full of numerous anti-cancer compounds and a strong antioxidant. It has been used to cure many diseases from ancient time. Onion is regarded as preventive against heart attack. It has been found helpful and beneficial in disease of the heart. Onions are an antiviral and antibacterial food. Onions are very good for diabetes and high blood cholesterol. Keep social distancing, be clean, eat healthy food. When you go out, should wear mask, take it easy, live a happy and healthy lifestyle. Thank you.